The giraffe? Are you excited? Let me see your face. Are you excited? You want to give them the ticket?
So we have one counter, but they're going to split it. So between the little one there and I believe the...
You gotta stand behind the line. Right here. There you go, Solomon.
So you both get a leaf. Just remember not to pet him, okay? Hey, buddy. Wait, we got a better one than that. You want to try this one? Oh, there you go. Here's a real one, though, because he doesn't want that. He wants a nice big one.
Well, Solomon, you got one. Look.
Try the big one. There you go.
Here he comes. There he comes.
Give it to the giraffe.
Buddy. Actually, that one's a little bit sad. Let's get you.
Give it to the giraffe. Look.
A little one.
Okay, ready?
Get your picture taken.
Stand right here.
Come on.
Okay, you gotta do it.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay, Solomon, you gotta do it. Okay, watch Samad. Samad, give it to him.
There you go. Good
Okay,
job,
give it to
buddy.
him. Just hold it.
Okay.
There you go. Good job, Solomon. Say bye, giraffe.
Yeah, you got it.
See you next
Good
time.
job. And if you want any, we do a sanitizer.
Thank you.
Good, I got both of them.
All right. Bye, giraffe.